So migration is live on TonAi. So I've claimed mine already, but for those, because I wanted to do it so that I can explain to you guys better. For those who don't know how to do it, so these are the following requirements you need. You need a minimum of, let's just say, a total of 0.9 ton, because you'll be charged 0.8 ton and some fractions for the transaction fee and blockchain charges, according to what they said. So the first step you need to do, the first thing you need to do, is to fund your Tone wallet. For me, I'm using Tonekeeper. So fund your Tone wallet, and if you are new and possibly you didn't get to buy the Tone AI assistant, and you were claiming from day one and you want to migrate, so let me break this news to you. So you, like, it's everyone, you just have to fund your wallet, which means you need to buy Tone because you need transaction fee for you to be able to migrate. All right. So now, if you need a video on how you can buy Tone, I made a video on how I transferred USDT from Binance. I like calling it Binance, from Binance to OKX. That's what Binance don't have Tone. OKX do have Tone. So I made a video so you can watch the tutorial on how you can deposit USDT to OKX and convert it to Tone, and then withdraw it to your Tonekeeper. I made that video simple, so I will drop a link in the description of this particular video, so it will be quite easy for those who are not used to this system. All right. So over back here now, so what we need to do, aside funding your Tonekeeper, like for me, I'm using Tonekeeper, funding your Tone wallet. Second thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. Like I said, I've claimed already, so I'm using Tonekeeper, so I'll connect Tonekeeper. Click on connect. Yes, yes, connected. Done. So coming back here, this is taking a little bit much time. Okay, so it's connected already. So once your wallet is connected to your TonAi, so the next thing you are going to do is to click on migrate. So already I've migrated, so they still want to charge me. So as me, I've not migrated, I will click on confirm. You can see right here that you are being charged 0.85 ton. That's $1.75, and network fee of, so that's why I said you need at least minimum of 0.9 ton. So assuming I have not claimed yet, I would have clicked on confirmed. So for you who have not claimed, so you can click on confirmed. So I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to go back. So I bought 5 Tone AI bot assistants. I bought 5 of it. So over here again at the screen, you can see something. Let's look at the mining phase. In tier 2, you can see off chain 15 million, 15.3 million. All right. Then migrated is 15 million 396. And if you notice something in the claimable, the digits do change over time. The digits do change over time. And beneath the claimable, the route updated every 10 seconds. What does this mean? It means that once you migrate, is not the end of it. So the every 10 seconds, they'll be giving you fraction of the coins you migrated slowly. It will be adding up to what you have here. So every 10 seconds, it will be adding up. Okay, now you can see right now we have at the claimable, we have 0.0090 at the start, then we have 57 at the end. So 90 at the start, 57 at the end. So let's go back and refresh it. Let's see what happens. Claim hash rate. Claim hash rate. So it's supposed to come up. So what this means, that For every 10 seconds, you keep getting a fraction of your coin moving from the migrated to claimable. So this will keep happening until launch date. If you keep going like this, I don't know. Keep happening till launch. Okay. You see, initially I said we have 0.0090, then 57 at the back. So now the claimable, now you can now see we have 0.10, then we have 79 at the back. So if you are still with me here, you can, if this thing refresh properly, it's supposed to be changing over time every 10 seconds. So we have 10 and 79, 10 at the front, 79 at the back. So guys, this is you see I just claim now we have 18 at the back, no longer 79. All right, so it keeps coming like that in every 10 seconds, every 10 seconds. So this is how to migrate your tone, how to migrate your TonAi. So well, there are launch dates. So for those people who partook on the pre-sale, let me just give you a little glimpse by tile launch. So if you want to partake on this pre-sale, I have a tutorial on my channel on how you can partake or buy this pre-sale. Their soft cap was 5,000. Their soft cap was 5,000. Where is it? Soft cap. Soft cap was 5,000 tone, but they've gone past the soft cap. I think they went past the soft caps in less than 2 or 3 hours of launch. Then that's of listing this thing for pre-sale. Then right now they have 4 days, 18 hours left. So they've raised 29,942 tone currently. So it's still going to last for another 4 days. So if you want to partake in this pre-sale and you didn't get to claim from this Telegram, so you can choose the one you belong to. You can see that the thing has moved from 0.010 to 0.011. So this is the easy tutorial. So if there's any question you have, you can drop it right at the comment section. You'll be attended to. All right. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do share to your friends because your friend might actually need this. All right. So see you guys on my next video.